Hey everyone, Mr. Russell here to talk to you about how to solve an OR compound inequality. So if you need help with how to solve an AND compound inequality, graphing, or interval notation, please see one of the other videos. Today I'm just going to talk about the OR compound inequality, and we're going to go over the example I have on the screen here. So it says, what are the solutions to 3t plus 2 is less than -7, or -4t plus 5 is less than 1? So I love the OR compound inequalities. And the reason why is it's essentially like solving two questions at once. So first of all, we're going to take this first inequality here. 3t plus 2 is less than -7. And we're going to solve that one on its own. So again, think about equations and inequalities. Our goal is to get the variable by itself. So to start, we're going to look at the side of the inequality with our variable, which is the left-hand side. And we're going to ask ourselves, what do we have to do to get t by itself? So we always want to undo addition before we undo multiplication. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So start by subtracting that 2, because we know positive 2 minus 2 will be 0, right? So those 2's cancel out. And on the left-hand side, I'm left with 3t is less than, so -7 minus 2 will be -9. All right, and now I want to undo the multiplication, right, because it's 3 times t. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. Again, as a quick reminder, the reason we divide is because 3 divided by itself, or 3 divided by 3 would be 1, and then 1 times t will simplify to just t. So that essentially cancels out that 3 for us. And then we're going to leave the sign how it is because I divided both sides by a positive, so t will be less than -3. Right? Let's stick an or in between here, and then we're going to solve the second inequality. So now I have -4t plus 5 is less than 1. Oop, come on. There we go. So let's go through the steps again. We're going to first undo the addition. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. All right. Those 5's cancel out, and we're left with -4t is less than 1 minus 5 simplifies to -4. And now I want to undo again the multiplication. So we're going to divide both sides by -4. But here's the cool thing. As a quick reminder, the unique thing about inequalities is if we ever divide both sides by negative, which is what we're doing here, we're dividing both sides by -4. We want to make sure we flip the inequality sign. Okay, so my answer now, the 4's will cancel out, or -4's will cancel out, I'm sorry. So we get t, I flip the inequality symbol to make it greater than, and then -4 divided by -4 is 1. Okay, so our solutions to this inequality are going to be that t is less than -3, or t is greater than 1. Okay, here's my solutions around the bottom here. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help with another topic, please go check those ones out. Thanks.